Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Buddy. We have finished revising class 11 syllabus twice and this is the second time revision of class 12 syllabus, and today we are going to do 15 MCQs from the chapters that you're seeing on your screens. So without wasting much time, let's get started.
Question number 1. Venue and date of Earth Summit on Conservation of Biodiversity was South Africa 2002, Johannesburg 2004, Rio de Janeiro 1992 or Stockholm's 1974. Venue and date of the Earth Summit on Conservation of Biodiversity was. The correct answer is option C, that is Rio de Janeiro 1992. Question number 2. The pyramid of energy in any ecosystem is option A, always upright, B, may be upright or inverted, C, always inverted, or D, none of above. Pyramid of energy in an ecosystem is. Correct answer is option A, it is always upright. Why? Because of the 10% law of energy loss. Question number 3. The source of energy in an ecosystem is ATP, sunlight, DNA or RNA. Source of energy in an ecosystem is. Correct answer is sunlight. Sunlight is the ultimate source of energy from which the plants or the producers provide energy to the different levels of the consumers. Question number 4. Study of ecology in population is eut ecology, synecology, demecology or ecotype. Study of ecology in population is called. Correct answer is option B, it is called as synecology. Question number 5. In a pyramid of number in grassland ecosystem, the largest population is that of herbivores, primary consumers, secondary consumers or producers. In a grassland ecosystem, the largest population is that of. Correct answer is option D, the largest population is of producers. Question number 6. An ecosystem must have continuous external source of minerals, energy, food, option D, all of above. Continuous external source of. The correct answer is option B, there should be a continuous external source of energy, and the ultimate external source of energy is sun. Minerals and foods, these can be derived from different components of the ecosystem itself, but energy, there has to be an external source. Question number 7. In a food chain of grassland ecosystem, the top consumers are herbivorous, carnivorous, bacteria, or either herbivorous or carnivorous. Top consumers of a grassland ecosystem. Correct answer is option B. Carnivorous animals are the top consumers. Question number 8. Trophic level are formed by only plants, only animals, only carnivorous animals, organisms linked in a food chain. Trophic levels are formed by, the correct answer is option D, by the various organisms that are linked together in a food chain. Question number 9. Ecosystem is having following components: biotic and abiotic, animals and plants, producers and consumers, environment and organism. Ecosystem is having following components. Correct answer is option A, there are biotic and abiotic components in an ecosystem. Question number 10. Definition of ecosystem is community of organism together with environment in which they live, abiotic components of a habitat, the part of earth and its atmosphere which inhibits living organism, a community of organisms interacting with one another. Ecosystem is best defined as. Correct answer is option A, as the community of organisms together with the environment in which they live. So there is coming an abiotic as well as biotic component into it. Question number 11. Species that occur in different geographical regions separated by special barrier are allopatric, sympatric, sibling, none of these. Species that occur in different geographical region separated by special barriers are Correct answer is option A, allopatric. Question number 12. What is true about ecosystem? Self-regulatory, self-sustained, top carnivores have climax trophic level position. Climax means the highest. And option D, all of above. What is true about any ecosystem? Correct answer is option D, all of the above. It is self-regulatory, self-sustained, and top carnivores have the climax trophic level. All these are correct about any ecosystem. Question number 13. Energy flow in an ecosystem is unidirectional, bidirectional, multidirectional, or none of above. Correct answer is option A. Energy flow is always and always unidirectional from producers to herbivores then carnivores. Question number 14. Ecotype is a type of species in which environmentally induced variations are temporary, genetically fixed, genetically not related, none of above. Ecotype is a type of species in which environmentally induced variations are. Correct answer is option B, genetically fixed. Question number 15. Ecology deals with study of living beings, living and non-living components, reciprocal relationship between living and non-living components, or option D, environment. Ecology deals with study of. Correct answer is option C. It deals with the study of reciprocal relationship between living and non-living components. So those are the 15 MCQs for today. We'll see you guys again tomorrow at this very place, this very time with another set of 15 MCQs, and the topic for tomorrow's MCQ session would be the next chapter of class 12 NCERT biology. So do read that chapter up before attempting tomorrow's MCQ session. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you're new out there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.